Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel Good Feel Animation. I'm Jack. I will show you how you can create 3D glass geometry with this cube for yourself. Just let's go to show you how you can do it. Before that, we start this create this geometry and delete this cube to uploading YouTube on the screen of Blender. You should take Shift A on the keyboard and select this mesh and cube. Very good. And take tab on the keyboard. Yes, very good. And select this. Yeah, and select up face and take S on the keyboard. Yeah, take E. Yes, take S. Very good. And E again and select this. Very good. And take S. Yes, very good. And amazing. Just you should cutting this face together. For this you should take Ctrl R on the keyboard. Yeah, very good, like this, and take Ctrl Alt again for width. Yes, now you should select this and take Ctrl B for create window or door for this geometry. Now I'm select this, yeah, and take E to execute it to out. Yeah, that's good. Now I'm go to the viewport shading to and select this shading. Yeah, very good. And select the new. Yes, and delete this. Very good. And select add. Yes, and this menu that's named shader, I'm select this item that's named glass BSDF. Yeah, very good. And lining this BSDF to the surface. Just you should select all of face that you want, change it. Yes, now I need to this viewport shading and change the render engine to the cycle like this, and change device to GPU because this powerful than CPU. Just need I'm to change this color to the, excuse me, let's need to, yeah, new, I'm delete this. Very good. Add shader and output. And assign to this part, select of this face and change the color of that. Now I want change it to the red. Yes, and a lot of roughness. Yeah, very good. And now I'm select this and select the new material again. Yeah, and delete this. Select the add and shader again, glass, uploading here, lining to here, and assign, change it to the green. Yes, Very good. Now I'm select this again, new material, yeah, and select the new, delete this, and add shader glass line into the surface, and select yellow, and a lot of roughness. I'm changing this number of roughness to 0.654. Yes, IOR is good, it's not to change. Very good. Now it's time I'm changing the measure of material to the low, yeah, and I'm come back to the object mode and then go to the layout in here. Now I'm select this plan, excuse me, and take the move, take below line to bring down. Yeah, very good, like this. Do it like this, don't worry, because all of this is so easy. So I'm in next step, I'm go to word properties and change strings to number to the 0, and change it material of plan to the black, and a lot of metallic, and you need to light for remove this shadow and darkness around this geometry, and you should take shift A on the keyboard to open it, this window, and select this area light, and take below line to bring up, and take as to big that, and change size this light, and select this power. Yeah, very good, and change the power number to 20,000. Yeah, very good. Now we need to do more light. For that you should take shift D on the keyboard. Yes, take S. Very good, perfect. Very good and amazing. Now you need to the camera, and you should take Ctrl Alt 0 to camera, come into your location and select this frame. Yeah, very good. And here Ctrl Alt 0. Yeah, very good. Now we need to more light. You should take Shift D to duplication your light like this. If you want it a lot of, go back and take Ctrl Alt 0 again. Yes, very good. I think this view is perfect for render. Now everything is okay for render, just we need go to the render option in here, or take F12 to start or render to rendering your or image. Yes, and we have perfect 3D glass geometry that made by one cube in the Blender, that you can do it for yourself if you're watching this video. And you have see this number in the up, that's me, and when it's finished or picture is ready for used. Awesome cube, very good. You can make another geometry for yourself, special this simple cube that you can change size, geometry, and everything that. Very good. And we wait to this number is finished and our picture is ready for used. Very good. You can duplication this cube for yourself to make a perfect design or a perfect perfect picture for yourself by this object, or using another software like the Cinema 4D or Blender 2, Maya, 3D Max, and every software, 3D software that you can use for yourself. You can export this object with all of format like the GLTB, 3D, and every format. Yes. So guys, little by little this number is finished and our picture is ready for used. 3600, yes, very good, and 4000 is finished. So I hope you are enjoy of that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like to another video. Goodbye.